Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the evaluation of Bybit Floor, a cryptocurrency derivatives trading platform. Bybit is a popular choice among traders and investors, so we wanted to see if it lives up to its reputation. Registration link and Bybit referral code are below the video description and comments. Bybit is a Singapore-based cryptocurrency exchange that was launched in 2018. It offers cryptocurrency derivatives trading, including futures contracts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular digital assets. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface, high liquidity, and fast execution speeds. One of the things that sets Bybit apart from other exchanges is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those who are new to cryptocurrency trading. It has a clear and simple layout, making it easy to navigate and find the information you need. The trading platform is also fully customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs. Another important factor to consider when evaluating Bybit is its liquidity. Liquidity refers to the ability of an asset to be bought and sold quickly and easily. The more liquid an asset is, the more easily it can be traded and the more accurately its price reflects its market value. Bybit has high liquidity, which means that there is always a buyer or seller available, even during periods of high volatility. This is essential for traders who want to enter or exit a position quickly. When it comes to cryptocurrency trading, execution speed is crucial. If an order is not executed quickly, it can result in a loss. Bybit is known for its fast execution speeds, which help traders to make quick and profitable trades. The platform uses cutting-edge technology, including WebSockets and low-latency data transfer, to ensure that orders are executed quickly and accurately. Security is a top priority for Bybit, and the platform uses a number of measures to ensure that its users' assets are protected. For example, Bybit implements two-factor authentication and uses cold storage for its crypto assets. Additionally, the platform is fully audited and insured, so you can rest assured that your funds are safe. In conclusion, Bybit is a highly regarded cryptocurrency derivatives trading platform that offers a user-friendly interface, high liquidity, fast execution speeds, and robust security measures. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, Bybit is a great choice for trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets. We hope you found this evaluation of Bybit Floor helpful, and as always, happy trading!